All right, let's talk about those customers that bring their clothes to your office, to your laundry business, enough clothes that worth 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 10,000 naira, and 5,000 naira. And they'll now ask you to calculate. After you done calculating, it's okay. After you finish washing them, when I'm coming to take them, I will not transfer everything to you. Bro, on this video, I want you to stop that attitude now. That habit have caused many laundry business to fold up because why you don't have money to run the cost of the business again. So on this video, I want to address that issue and what to do, what you need to do now so that you will save your head and save the life of your company before it becomes too late. Once again, this is Pam's Academy International. Do you want to go another business or you are planning to start another business? I can always say the other business is a lucrative business. Even though nobody will tell you, I will tell you for free. The business is lucrative and is very profitable. Though will not make you a billionaire, but will make you a comfortable and help you by strategy pattern, by what you need to know, understanding how the business works and how it goes and what to do. So if you are interested to be a part of the academy, register in our academy, Pam's Academy International, or give me a DM that I am interested and then we'll get back to you. Or you want to go your other business, go to our YouTube channel, Pam's Academy International. There's some video there that will help you on how you can grow your other business from scratch to finish. So let's proceed. Now, some customers always come to your other business. When they come, they'll pack so many clothes to you. Thinking that after you finish washing them, I will now send the money to you. Bro, sis, now don't attend to them. Stop that attitude. Always collect 50 to 30% of the estimate price ahead. It will help you to run the laundry business. Some places will come to me, Mr. Pants, some customer, I don't know, how do you manage to have money to run your business? Because some customer, they will owe me money. I don't know. I will be calling them. I will be only credit to make sure I make the place grow. It's because of these things going on now. If a customer comes to your business to wash a clothes for the first time, tell the person to give you advance, 50% advance. If the money is 10,000 naira, let them pay you 5,000 naira. That is 50%. If you don't have 50%, let them pay you 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira. That is 30%. You get. Always collect 50% or 70% of the customer total figure, overall figure, from them before you attend to their clothes. I know this will be hard to some of your old customers because you have been having parole with them. Yes, they used to come, they will pay after 3 days, they will pay after 1 week, they will pay after 1 month. Yes, that'll be your routine. But you see, that routine is not favoring you. That routine is making you having only debt. That routine is making you only money here and there. You cannot be able to pay your worker, pay yourself, or feed yourself, or run your laundry business effectively now. So now, keep all emotional behind. Don't work with emotion this year. It's not time for you to take percentage from their hand, except you have a backup plan. Yes, I always have a backup plan. There's a money I keep, reserve money for emergency fund I keep in my business. I keep the one account, separate account. This money is for emergency fund. And I will put like 50,000 naira in that place. So when those things come, I will not buy fuel, I will not do this and that, I will not buy detergent, I will not, and I say buy things in bulk also. That's how it helped me. But to you that is starting up, to you that is still struggling, to you that is still trying to pay workers or all of that, it will affect you. So start it now. It will be one kind to your customer. But the thing is that when you want to travel to GEO Moto, or you want to enter Libya Moto to travel, or you are traveling to different place, or you want to book a flight to London or to Lagos or to any place, how do you go about it? Do you enter the flight and then really Lagos first before you pay the money, or you book your ticket and pay money down? Is that how they do it? Okay, let's say you want to sew a shirt from a tailor, and you say, it's my measurement here. And I say, oh, I sew everything finish, I'll give money, and when it doesn't finish. Does it happen that way? They will say, pay something, pay advantage, pay percentage. Or when the book have to go and eat, you say, okay, I don't really come with money right now. After I eat finish now, I will not pay the money when I got to. It doesn't happen that way. So since those people don't happen that way, or you're a mechanic now, your car broke down. The last time I went to the mechanic to go and work on my friend's car, working there. Mechanic said, okay, this and this and this and this happened. Everything is almost 20,000 naira. The guy said, okay, what will I do? And I said, give me 100,000 first. So after I finish, you will call balancer. That's how it is. After the mechanic finished working on it, we will not give you the balance of 100,000 naira. But 100,000 naira advance, it took 50% from us that moment. So implement it in your laundry business also. That's why many of you are complaining that my customer, you are too afraid, you are too emotional. That's why. You are too afraid. You see that my customer now, if I go do it now, they will not come again. Some of them will not be angry. Tell them now, to those customers you have emotionally tied with, it will start in a day. Betray them 1, 2, 3, 4 times before the mere short time you not side be now. They will know you are betraying them. But those who just come new, those new persons that you have, they just start, don't give it that leg. Mostly if you are in student development, those students that come to your place, they just start coming to your place. Don't that leg, don't give it that leg. If you give them that leg, they say if you give them their chance, they say you will take chances. That's what they say in Warri language. Say when you give a man a chance, you take chances. When you give them a small space, now they occupy the full space. So when you give them that leg that can go confess, they will not. You might be there very wise. They will not test you to see if you will fall, and if you eventually fall to them, they will not campaign on you. So don't give them that leg this year. Anyone is coming to your office, either big or small, except those smaller things you're considering. But those smaller things also that bait, they'll use it as bait to see if you can allow smaller one plus smaller one plus smaller one. It's already a big one also. So don't even allow smaller one. Say, be straight, be stern, and be straight in your business. Be straight, be straight. Hey, no, I don't do that. Be straight and be stern. Don't be emotional tied with your customer. You see, because emotion will not feed you. When you are looking for money to pay your workers, they will not be there. When you are looking for money to pay for your storage or buy gadget or buy for do your business, will not be there. Sometimes some persons now take money they keep for their own personal use to go to run their daily business. The money they have kept for something important to do, they will now use that money to say I will fill them back. But to fill them back now, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months. So learn to take 50 to 70% of your customer in the midst of the gig work. This is Pam's Noga Academy. If you want to know more about your business, subscribe to our channel, follow this video, share this video to those who like it, and then you are good to go. See you next week.